Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Dodge Journey. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a roof rack, and a split-folding rear seat. Third-row seats expand the maximum passenger capacity to 7. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.